What's up, YouTube? Being back again today with another little blaster box break. We got a 2017 Heritage baseball. A while back somebody made fun of me for saying Heritage on the forums. I was like being sarcastic. Sarcasm doesn't work well with some people, evidently. Or being silly, whatever you want to call it. And I like Heritage. I don't build the sets anymore. I tried a few times and it's just too much of a headache. It gets too expensive, and then later on you can buy the set for nearly nothing, at least the base set. And the couple of more modern sets I've built, they just don't, no offense to set builders, it just doesn't seem worth my time. I do like to make the team sets, and I'm really slack on probably the past 3 or 4 years of doing team sets for my Cubs. I have a few, but I'm pretty slack on it, because even that's getting difficult. So let's get on into these. Pack one. Reyes, Morales, Wainwright, Zealous, and Johnny Bench. Flashback. Ramirez, Duvall, Pagan, and Ramirez. Let's see if we get anything. I'm sure just the bench insert there. I should have thought of that. Correa, Happ, Talon, Josh Donaldson, Jet Lowry. Cubs. I'll set that aside for my Cubs team set if I ever decide to finish it. Looks like he's the SP. Talon. Sure, I butchered that. Looks like that's an SP, if I remember right on that. Kyle Seager, Chet Wood, and we got a Buster Posey double play card. That's probably it on that, but I would like to check. You never know. Tops may screw up. And we got another Cubs World Series card there. There's the Dansby. And a Scherzer. Little, not sure what those things are called. And a Chris Bryant. Nice for the Cubs. Machado. And was there any of these? Better check and make sure. Nah, I don't believe. Is Dansby Swanson still a hide item like he was? Peraza, Pilar, Polanco, Kluber. Polanco is the SP. You guys tell me if I got anything else there. I guess that goes with a tail on there. Schindler, Cano, Brandon Phillips. Another Cubs card. Sorry if I got off camera there. Bregman. That's two good guys on that one. Let's check the back of these. They're 461. Probably an SP. Cool. Got a few SPs. I think I may have got one out of my last box. Mott, Baumgartner, Carlos Correa, Fought, Scherzer, and Yonder Alonso. Oh yeah, New Age Performers. I used to break a lot of heritage, and we got to rediscover tops of Dennis Cook from 1990 tops. Any Philly guys need that, holler at you, boy. I know there's a few Phillies collectors out there, you know, so those are whatever, you know. So it looks like we got 3 SPs possibly. These 2 rookies. Carlos Correa, New Age Performer. Johnny Bench Flashback. The Busta Posey. Mr. Scherzer. And a few more Cubs going to keeper pile. Alright guys, appreciate you watching. Take care, we'll see you again soon.